The JUJIANG C01 swing gate opener is equipped with a powerful 40-watt motor, making it highly efficient for handling light-duty dual swing gates up to 440 pounds or 12 feet per arm. This gate opener offers versatile power supply options, including connection to 110-volt AC municipal electricity, a 24-volt battery, or solar panels, catering to various installation preferences. It is designed to accommodate a wide range of gate types, whether they are made of steel, wood, or vinyl, and is suitable for residential, commercial, and farm settings. The control box features smart technology with individual arm control and a safety stop and reverse function, ensuring reliable operation even in harsh weather conditions. Installation is straightforward with commonly available tools, and JUJIANG provides excellent customer support with a 30-day exchange and return policy, a 12-month warranty, and lifetime technical assistance. With its robust construction and intelligent features, the JUJIANG C01 swing gate opener is a reliable choice for securing various entry points with ease and efficiency.